5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80. Crest jump at the top, 80 over small crest. To a fast 3 left, barrier inside. And a flat crest, 230. Turn late-ish square right at the hedge, cold brakes, don't cut. Flat crest 60, 3 left minus, you have 80 to turn square left in. Square left in. Go, flat crest 60, right on flat crest, 170. All the way to flat crest, 200. Right entry chicane, 4 bails. Be very neat on the last bail, Brian. Keep it very tight. Turning left, square left, very tight. Go, 170. Flat 6 right, 100. Chicane right entry, 4 bails, second gear. Late, flat, 3 left, in, 130. Flat 5 right, 40. Flat crest, 130. Chicane right entry, 4 bails, second gear. 3 right past junction, go, 200. Turn square right, neat. Square right, neat. And flat crest, 270. Stay left into very tight, hairpin right, neat around the bail. Stay left into very tight, hairpin right, neat around the bail. It's narrow. 6 right and 6 left. Into 6 right over crest, you have 60, keep out for 2 left barrier inside. Use the road, 2 left barrier inside. 60 then. Right on small crest, and crest into 6 right. 80 up. Caution, very short, 3 left slippy. Caution, very short, 3 left slippy. 60 then. To a clip, bad mud, 2 right, minus gravel, bad mud. You'd be well in on this, Brian. 2 right, minus 150. Lovely. 2 left at the gate, short. And long 6 right. 40. 6 left. 130 down the middle. Over gravel, turn square right at the wall. Neat, mud. Square right at the wall, neat, mud. Barrier in it. And go. Lovely. 130. Flat 5 right. 130. 3 left opens. And fast 3 right. Fast 3 right. 80 then. Turn fast square left in. Square left in. And go, go. In, 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 in. 350. Flat 5 right, 250, all the way to the chicane. It's on the crest, right entry, 4 bails. And 6 left over the crest, 200. Turn unseen, square left at the red arrow. Repeat, square left at the red arrow. 170. 6 right over the crest. 130. Caution, 3 left, only 60 over crest. To late-ish square right, mud. Caution, 3 left, only 60 over crest. Late-ish square right, mud. Late-ish and mud. 80. 1 left. And short 2 right. And flat 3 left, opens 5 over crest. And long fast 3 right slippy, nips at the pole. It does nip. And 6 right continues past the house. 170. Square right at the wall. Square right at the wall. 40. Flat crest 100 to 1 left. 1 left. And caution, 2 left over crest, immediate square right down. 60. Short 2 right, minus, care, water inside, opens, care on this 2, into caution, long 4 left, continues into 2 left, at the railings, short, into very long 4 right, down at the pole, opens past the pole, 100 over bumps, fast 3 right, don't cut, 250, 5 right, 60, caution, crest, you have 80, turn square right, have 80 in, square right, 300, 6 right, into left on crest past the walls, 100, slow on the 4 right, don't cut, only 40 to square left around the bales, so 4 right, you have a good 40 Brian, trail it in, square left around the bales, and 1 left, 1 left go, 150, flat crest into long, 6 left continues, into 6 right over crest jump, 300, 5 left cover into 5 right, 150 to the chicane, right entry, 4 bales, 200 up the middle, slowing on the 6 right, be very neat, hairpin left, neat, gravel, hairpin left, be very neat Brian, very very neat, well in when then, 60, long caution, long 5 right, tightens 2, past the chevron, and it nips, it does nip, 40, long 5 left continues, into 3 left, 5 right kink at the sign, and long 4 right, 80, slow 2 right, into 2 left minus, and fast 1 right goes around muck, 5 left then, into 4 right, 2 left slippy, 2 left slippy, and square right, and square left, 40,
Come on.
6 left, 150, care, late, 5 left over crest, and flat crest and 6 right down, 150, it's the late 5 left over crest, 150 down to 2 right, minus at the wall, drain outside mud, minus, drain outside mud, 80 up, 5 left and 2 left up past the lane, 2 left up past the lane, 60 then, to a 6 left, 60, 6 right over the crest, only 60, turn late fast square right at the sign, late fast square right at the sign, 150, long flat crest, go 170, turn tight square left narrow, repeat, turn tight square left narrow, and flat crest, 80, 6 right over crest into 6 left, 40, caution, 3 left over bump, tightens to 2, remember, into sudden 1 left, 3 tightens to 2, into sudden 1 right, sudden 1 right, sorry, 1 right, and a 6 right and 5 left, you have 80, to square left at the wall, square left at the wall, 60, to square right, 100, slow 5 right and square left, neat, square left neat, 40 to square right, 150, flat 5 right, don't fucking lift, into flat crest, 130, 6 left over crest, bump, 170, caution, crest and short, 3 right minus at the fence, into fast 3 left, 3 right minus at the fence, into fast 3 left, and flat 4 right go, 40, 5 left, 40, caution, 3 left, 3 right kink, caution, 3 left, 3 right kink, and 6 right, and 5 left, 80, turn hairpin left over gravel, small nippy, very neat, Brighton, very neat, long 5 right, 80 down, short 2 left minus, short 2 left minus 40, 4 right into crest and 2 right gravel. Repeat, crest, 2 right gravel. It is gravelly here. Into 3 left then, gravel. Into 3 left again. 100 up the middle. Caution. 3 right over crest. Does tighten to a 2 right. Repeat, it does tighten to a 2 right. 250. Flat crest over finish. And tight 4 left. All the way to the board, Brian. Tight 4 left, 170.
How are we looking for time, Harry?
1 up.